A warm bowl of creamy oatmeal is an easy and delightful dish, but choosing the right type of oats can be overwhelming. Although various brands refer to them differently, rolled oats and old-fashioned oats are the same. These oats are the same size and are flat and flaky. They take around 5 minutes to cook in the microwave or stovetop and have firm texture. There are 5 main types of oats: steel cut, Scottish, rolled or old-fashioned, quick, and instant, each varying in processing time and texture. Rolled or old-fashioned oats are typically used in baked goods for their firm texture. While oats can often be used interchangeably in recipes, substitutions may affect the final texture, so it's helpful to know that quick oats are essentially chopped rolled oats. For healthier options, stick to plain oats to avoid added sugars commonly found in instant varieties, and try natural toppings like fruits or a touch of honey for sweetness.